Okay, now we're going to do our science revision on the respiratory system of fish. So if you see a question, pause the video, try and answer it, play the video again, and the answer will be revealed. What do fish breathe in? They take in oxygen dissolved in water. How does the water enter the fish to enable them to breathe? Water enters the fish through their mouths. Where does the water go after it enters the fish mouths? The water washes over the fish's gill filaments, which is found in the gills. How does the fish get oxygen from water? The gill filaments contain a lot of blood vessels. When water washes over the gill filaments, oxygen moves from the water into the fish's blood. Why does oxygen need to enter the fish's blood? The blood transports the oxygen to all parts of the body, where it is used to create energy and carry out life processes. What happens after the oxygen is used? Carbon dioxide is created and released into the blood. The blood brings the carbon dioxide to the gill filaments, where it is released into the water. What happens if a fish is placed in an airtight container that has water? The fish would use up the oxygen in the water. Air from the environment cannot be dissolved into the water, and carbon dioxide cannot be released back into the environment. There would not be enough oxygen in the water, and the fish would die. Next, we're going to have our revision on human respiration. What does the human respiratory system consist of? It consists of the nose, windpipe, and lungs. How do we breathe in? When we breathe in, our diaphragm contracts, moves downwards, and increases the space in our chest cavity, giving more space for our lungs to expand. When our lungs expand, air is sucked in through our noses. How do we breathe out? When we breathe out, our diaphragm relaxes, moves upwards, and reduces the space in the chest cavity. Our lungs force out the carbon dioxide-rich air, which exits through the nose or mouth. How does oxygen get into our blood? Oxygen in the air enters the blood vessels in air sacs found in our lungs. What color is oxygen-rich blood? It is bright red in color. After oxygen enters the blood, where does the blood go? The blood goes to the left side of the heart, which will pump blood to all parts of the body. What happens to oxygen after it gets pumped into all parts of the body? Oxygen is released from our blood into the cells, making the blood poor in oxygen. Our cells use oxygen to create energy. Carbon dioxide is created and is released into the oxygen-poor blood. What color is oxygen-poor blood? It is dark red in color. Where does the oxygen-poor blood go? It goes to the right side of the heart, which pumps it to the lungs. Carbon dioxide exits the blood at the lungs, and oxygen enters the blood again. We then breathe out the carbon dioxide. What do we breathe out? We breathe out carbon dioxide as well as water vapor. Now that's it.